Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to see dislikes on YouTube on your phone. Hey everyone, in today's video, let me show you how you can see dislikes on YouTube videos right from your phone. YouTube removed public dislike counts back in 2021 of November to reduce harassment, but there is a clever workaround using an app. First, open the Play Store, tap the search icon, then type in show dislike and press enter. Find the app in the results, tap install, and once it's done, open it up. Next, go to YouTube and select any video you want. Tap the share button below the video. Swipe through the options until you see more options and select show dislike from the list. The app will then display both the likes and dislikes count for that video, giving you back the information YouTube removed. It's that simple and quick. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.